This multi-pack of Highland invisible tape is really the cat's meow. It really fits the tickets. If you have a lot of taping needs, it fits right into your pre-bought dispenser that you probably already own. This is the 6200 series, so we got 19 millimeters wide, 32.9 meters long. That's right, one roll is 3/4 inches wide by 1,296 inches long. That's actually 36 yards of tape. And if you're a high output taper like I am, you can't go wrong with the Highland invisible tape. This multi-pack is going to last you for a long time until your taping needs arise again. I just used a ton for Christmas recently. Did a lot of taping out of my dispenser, which does not come with it, and got all my presents done. Everybody was pretty happy with my tape jobs on the Christmas presents that I dispensed.